Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to add stock to Zoho Books. Ladies and gentlemen, from your home page, you will go up to the top right hand side, and we need to first enable our stock inventory. Okay, so if you have a look on the left hand side, first of all, it says items and then items, and this only gives you the option to add an item. Now if you go to the top right, click on settings, and you come down here under module settings, under general, you'll see items. Now once you click on items, here you can manage how items are actually working within your Zoho Books. So here under inventory, you're going to need to click on enable inventory tracking, and here it'll just give you your current date. That's fine. Click on save. Now if you go back to your home page and you click on items, let's just go ahead and let's refresh this page. It might take a few seconds, but ultimately what you're going to be able to do is you'll see inventory. Okay, so sometimes I think on the older accounts, item inventory management is underneath item. So now if you click on inventory, you'll see inventory adjustment. So if you would like to add inventory, you can go ahead, click on items, add in a new item over here. Let's just say item 1, for example. You'll select your unit, selling price, and your cost price, and then the account, okay, and that account, all of those details, and then you will see track inventory for this item. Go ahead and select this, and it'll ask you to add in your inventory account. Let's say inventory asset, and here it'll ask you either to add in your inventory evaluation method. Okay, so this is how you will be selecting either first in, first out, or a weight of an average costing. So it depends on what kind of inventory you have over here. And then you're going to go ahead and you are going to say save. Now, when you want to manage the amount of this item that you have in stock, here you can see if you click on it, you'll be able to click on edit. And you can say opening stock, you have 50, and you can just save this over here. All right. Your opening stock rate per unit, we can just say 10 over here, and here you'll see this is being configured. Now if you go into inventory on the left hand side, you can say inventory adjustment, and then you can create an adjustment. Here you will choose your mode of adjustment, so it's either quantity or the value in the amount, and then your reference number, date, the account. Select your reason that you are going to amend or adjust this, and then you can put in a description. You're going to add in the item that you are adjusting, and then you're going to go ahead, quantity available, new quantity on hand. You're going to obviously put in a lower amount because that's what we're doing, we're adjusting. And here we're going to go ahead and say save as draft, and this will now be adjusted in your inventory.